I said I'm a roll. Hey! Rice with banana, are you lot alright, fam? My brain is doing a madness. My brain is like, this shouldn't work. Honestly, the Somalis, they know what they're doing. Guess whose birthday it is? Come on, you know what it is. I'm out here with my lovely cousin. Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Come on, don't disclose the age on the YouTube and that.
My lips are sealed.
25, innit? Come on. Yeah, man. We're about to head out. We're gonna meet 2 other lovely people that will be joining in with me for a Somali meal. After all this time, we are going to have a Somali dinner.
It's what you've been waiting for.
Come on, it's what everyone's been waiting for. My students have been going crazy about it. We are going to have Somali meal. I'm going to be joined by Maha and Marjorie. Oh, can't wait. Nope, not going to disclose the age. Follow me. Let's go. Come on. Havana is a Somali restaurant located in Shepherd's Bush. It serves Somali food in a relaxed and cozy setting. You walk in, you make your way downstairs, and bang, you're in Somalia. Guys, I am here with Maha and Marjorie. You're gonna give me a lesson into Somali cuisine. So what on this menu, what would you recommend? For me, if I'm just the first time.
Okay, you definitely have to go for a suqaar if you're like a first timer. Suqaar, yeah.
Suqaar.
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 Well, almost.
Suqaar.
Yeah, you know what? I'll give that to you.
It's the tongue, it's the back of the tongue. Suqaar. Come on. Yeah. I'm trying still.
I want chicken.
She wants chicken.
I think I'm gonna go for this. The thing is, I'm boring.
Let's go for chicken. Alright.
I'm gonna go for the colonizers cuisine. And I might go for some. Yeah. I might.
Oh, I'm sick to my stomach. Oh, we're here for some Somali food and she's here for pasta. Can't be doing lasagna al forno, you know. Bun them colonizers.
I'm gonna go for suqaar.
They have great options on the menu, but what should I expect when it comes to Somali food?
So the reason the food is the way that it is that because the East Indian Ocean, right? A lot of our food in Tanzania, Kenya, Somalia, because anyone that traded with the Indians basically, we use similar spices. So we tend to eat rice and things with like cumin and cinnamon and all that.
But Uganda's like real like curries and stuff like that. These guys have like you guys have India. You guys have your culture.
We have our own like cultural element, but with a like slight Indian. That's
for us it's like Indian, like it's a bit much. It's a bit much. But that's why I love Ugandan food, but I like that they have their own kind of whatever. But Ugandans, we have ours, but we do have like curries and stuff like that.
The food has arrived. I'm starving. On this table.
Wow, I'm trying to remember what. Wow. Okay.
It's an absolute madness right now. We've got a lot going on this table.
Yes, a bit of everything.
A bit of everything. So talk us through what's going on.
So we got the rice as a side to the lamb shank, the chicken with mashed potato, with a side of rice, of course. We've got the chicken suqaar from Marjorie, and then we've got chicken suqaar. Yeah, that's traditional Somali. Yeah. But this is more traditional because it's meat, so it's suqaar, but it's like lamb suqaar, which is the traditional. And of course, we have the most important, what do I call this, element of the dish, the banana, because you can't have banana without rice.
Why is it so important, Marha?
Just one time for the culture. It's for the culture. Why else? Like,
for the culture, you hear that? It's for the culture.
Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, cool. I'm ready to munch. I'm ready to munch. I'm so overwhelmed by what's going on. I don't know what to do with myself. I really don't know what. Marjorie just wants to tell me. I respect it. She's so I'm gonna go for the rice right now.
Is it good?
Hey, wait, I missed that reaction.
She's loving life right now.
Did you do it again for me? Okay, hold on.
She's loving life.
She's in her element.
She's in her element.
She's in her element with the chicken
You gotta
salad.
respect. You gotta respect. You know when food makes you dance, it's serious.
But that's the same.
It's really nice.
What gets me?
Good rice. Okay. So for the culture, the banana. For the culture, the banana. Alright. So I've currently got banana. I don't know how it works, ladies and gentlemen. Yes please.
Yeah.
So you slice it. So you just do slices,
Yeah.
right? So you like
Get in there with your hands. You get right in there.
I have to eat with my hands.
Yeah.
Of course.
I've got to show it respect, innit?
But get in there. Get in there.
yes.
Slice it very thinly, yeah?
As thinly or as thickly as you like.
And what should I be expecting in terms of the flavour? What should it be?
It's sweet.
And savoury combined.
Yeah.
Sweet and savoury
Sweet
combined.
and savoury. Think
This is
sweet and
what
sour
it's about,
chicken.
ladies and gents. This is a momentous occasion.
What a bold statement.
That synergy, that
So
flavour.
I'm going in there with my hands.
Yeah.
See, like, this is how you know you're African. You
You're
know
a real one.
when your hands and fingers are shaped
No,
like
he's a real one. He's a real one.
I said I'm a real one.
Hey. Look. What are you feeling? What's it saying?
His mind is still trying to process the sweet.
My brain is doing a madness. My brain is like, this shouldn't work. But it bangs. The sweetness.
So this bang.
So this food bangs.
This food bangs, yeah. The sweetness with the rice actually goes well. It's really good. I really like it. I like the texture.
It's a
No,
nice journey.
honestly, the Somalis, they know what they're doing.
You know what they're doing.
At first I was like, bro, are they alright? Rice with banana, are you lot alright, fam? I can't lie. The star of the show was the lamb. It was soft, it was tender. I tried to even pick it up with a fork, but it was so tender I kept falling down. But once I got a hold of it and I put it in my mouth, it was incredibly delicious.
Like literally on top of the mashed potato. This could be a meal by itself.
I know.
So like,
I didn't
the
realize they were
pasta.
gonna give. Yeah.
Wow.
And it's only £11 or something like so cheap.
Wow.
Trying the creamy chicken with mashed potatoes. Oh my god. This is mad. This is actually mad still.
That's good, right?
That is so good.
We try this
So
with the banana.
Lisa's not on it. She
No,
look
no,
at her
I
face,
don't
she's like,
mind.
I don't want to do this, man. What's it saying?
It doesn't make sense, but
What's going on there? Why are them man there on the menu?
Basically, they colonised us, and what better revenge than taking their food and making it better?
Right.
Really, that's what you see going on. Is our twist on their dishes,
Right.
with more seasoning, more flavour. You know,
Right.
just the East African version. You know,
Right.
the Eritreans, the Somalis, I was gonna say Ethiopians, but Ethiopians weren't colonised. But yeah, we do it better. It's pasta, but Somali version.
And what other Italian dishes do they serve up?
Lasagna
Wow.
is a big one. It's I thought lasagna was a Somali dish for the longest time.
Really? So your whole life?
Yeah, I've been eating it. I thought it was Italian, not Italian, I thought it was Somali my entire life up until like a few years ago when I entered university. Like, that's how deep it was.
That's
Yeah.
crazy.
with
That
the
is
mashed
nuts.
potatoes.
She thought that lasagna was a Somali dish. Wow. Honestly, this pasta is incredible. It's absolutely incredible. Oh, should I do it or?
No, you do what you were gonna do. I'm gonna do something for the real.
This pasta is Wow. It's creamy and buttery. I like it. It's got a bit of a sweetness in it. Okay. We're moving on to the chicken suqaar. The chicken suqaar.
I don't know why, but today I just don't think I have an appetite.
After days, I'm not having. I know, right?
This is the chicken suqaar. It's got a stew vibe. The chicken is so tender. It's so good. Somali food has blown me away. I'm confused as to why Somali food isn't rated highly as it should be.
I think it's a difficult one because I think it's a niche. I don't think unless you're Somali, you're not gonna look for Somali food. It's one of those like niches. Whereas I feel like Italian or fish and chips or Chinese is quite mainstream. It's the go-to for everyone. You know, like if you're not Somali, you're not gonna look for Somali food. If you're not from El Salvador, you're not gonna look for El Salvadorian food. You know, it's one of those concepts. But I think because of social media in general, TikTok and Twitter and stuff like that, people are starting to eat like more diverse food from other places. I'm starting to see more non-Somali food, Somali food, and eating other foods from different places. So I think it's just about we need more representation in the media, basically.
Yeah. Do you think it's got the fact that Somalia's had its troubles over the years, with it being like a war-torn sort of country that's now coming off the back? Do you think that has something to do with it as well?
I don't think so, because I think maybe
because we don't get good publicity.
Yeah, we don't get good publicity. That's very true. But I think it's more to do with the fact that we're a new community in the UK. Because prior to like the 90s, there were Somalis for like hundreds of years, but they came in as salesmen and all of that in Cardiff. Because we operated the ports and stuff like that. We've been here since the World War, but a large influx of us came in like the late 90s, early 2000s, maybe early 90s when the Civil War was going on. So we're quite a young community in comparison to like other communities in the UK. So I guess we're just starting to find our feet after 30 years of being, like 30-ish years of being here. We're just starting to find our feet. So I think now that we've all grown up, we're like starting to represent our culture more, sharing it with our friends, our diverse community of friends and things like that.
East Africa.
She's East African, but you're not Somali.
Marjorie's already trying to beg it. That's what the food does. Yeah.
Typical Kenyan.
Yeah, typical Kenyan. She's trying to beg she's had a little bit of the chicken suqaar already. I'm Somali. You know what I mean?
I love being Kenyan and Ugandan.
Correct.
Come on, represent.
Just a bit of education for everyone here is that not every Somali comes from Somalia. There are 5 Somali nations. So I need to that's what the flag represents. So the blue flag with the star, the 5 points in the star represents 5 nations.
Wow.
Which is Djibouti, Somaliland, Somalia, Ogaden, which is in Ethiopia's borders, and NFD, which is in Kenya's borders, which is why a lot of Somalis wear Kenyan bracelets. So there are 4 other nations, and I feel like all the other nations kind of get dragged into whatever conference is going on in Somalia. So just know that some parts of, Somali, we still love Somali, we represent because we're all Somalis, but just saying that some people, don't have those particular issues that you might see.
Yeah. For real.
Yeah, just saying. So misconception, guys. Some of us are from the north, some of us are from Djibouti and other places too.
Jeez, say less. Man's getting a history lesson today still.
It's from Somalia or Somaliland? Which one?
This is nice, man. It's like diced, chopped up lamb.
Try it with the mashed potatoes.
With the mashed potato. Oh yeah, I forgot there's mashed potatoes in this as well. I love the mashed potato.
What's it giving? What's the meat giving?
Silky smooth. This gives me Sunday roast vibes.
Ooh, okay. Little British. Yeah, I'm walking to you.
We've cleaned up the table. I'm still trying to finish this. I've loved it. I've had a great time.
The question is, does Somali food bang?
Is that even a question? Of course it bangs. You know what I mean? I was like duxel with the thing. I was hurrying up. You like that? Yeah, bro. Duxel, it means hurry. Man knows the lingo, innit?
Very surprised.
Didn't know that, did you? You know what I mean? She's looking at me shocked. It was decent, man. Good food, good vibes. We got a bit of history from Maha.
Yep,
and
needed.
Marjorie's ad-libs.
Ad-libs. Love the job.
We still about the history.
It was
good.
needed.
It was needed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Food was
With the vibe and the context and everything.
yeah, the lamb just breaks off. It's like I'm trying to catch it on the fork, and it just kept falling down. Nice. Yeah, send me the bloopers.
I will.
Send me the bloopers. Yeah, banana and rice. It's actually a thing. It actually bangs.
Guys, listen, right? So basically, they didn't sell banana and rice here. So Maha went to Tesco's, bought us some banana to make sure we get the full experience. A real one.
A real one.
A real one.
That is what you call a real hospitality. Somali hospitality right there. She actually ran to the shop. Got 4 bananas.
Oh, I wish we had them here.
Honestly, we got it. Don't worry, we got the receipts. I'll put it up on the screen. And just as I was about to leave, the girls surprised me with a birthday cake. Come on, one for This Food Bangs on making it to 2 years, and one for me. And no, I'm not going to disclose my age. This cake bangs. Oh my god! Get closer on the cake, man. This cake bangs. Oh, that's so cute.
We made it from scratch.
Oh my god! You guys are this. Look at this. I'm at a Somali restaurant with Marjorie. The camera's up. Oh my word! I've got a fat smile on my face. Alright, make a wish, yeah?
Yeah, big boy.
Emotional, man. You look really good.
That's so nice.
Wow.
You guys are so cute. I'm his cousin. I didn't even get him anything.
Nuts, you know.
Yeah, sentimental.
I'm actually very shocked. Very shocked. Like literally, I swear to you, I wasn't expecting it. Came to just have Somali food.
Birthday. What do you think we're gonna do? Like,
That's so cute though.
I was even gonna do the roast, and I remember like last time I was cake, I used for a few days. Yeah. Yeah.